Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Rice Krispie treats. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 10-ounce bag of marshmallows, and 6 cups of puffed rice cereal. Also, make sure to lightly grease a 9x 13-inch baking pan. This classic no-bake dessert is incredibly simple to prepare, taking only about 15 minutes of active time before cooling. It's a perfect treat for any occasion. To begin, take a large saucepan and melt 3 tablespoons of butter over low heat. Once the butter is fully melted, add the entire 10-ounce bag of marshmallows. Stir continuously until the marshmallows are completely smooth and fully incorporated with the butter. It's important to keep the heat low to prevent the marshmallows from burning. As soon as they are melted, remove the pan from the heat immediately. Now for the fun part. Add 6 cups of puffed rice cereal to the warm marshmallow mixture. Using a spatula, gently fold the cereal into the sticky marshmallow until every piece is thoroughly coated. Work quickly before the mixture cools too much. Once combined, transfer the entire mixture into your greased 9x 13-inch baking pan. Use a buttered spatula or your hands to press it down firmly and evenly. Finally, let your delicious Rice Krispie treats cool completely. This usually takes at least 30 minutes at room temperature, or you can speed it up by placing them in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. Once firm, use a sharp knife to cut them into 2-inch squares. They are now ready to serve and enjoy. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.